Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Learning. In this Node.js series, today we'll talk about Nodemon. So, what is Nodemon? So, Nodemon is like a helper that automatically restarts your server when you make changes to your code. So, you don't have to restart it manually each time. So, how we install it? We can install it like this npm I nodemon. I means install. So let's open our editor, Visual Studio Code. Here I created the project name Nodemon demo to show you how it works. And let's create it here index.js file. Okay. And to write some code to understand how Nodemon works. So first of all, we have to install Express because I am going to write the code for Express. You don't worry because I will explain in this series all about all the things I will write here. So type npm I express and this will install the express. Till then I have to write the code for it. So I will import the express here and require it means here we are importing express because we want to use it. And then we create a initialization for this express inside the variable app so that we can use the express. Don't worry for this code because I have to explain this in next videos. This videos is only for Nodemon understanding, so focus on that. Now I will write the listen function to listen on the port. So let me give it port number 3000 and then I will write here console.log message that server is running at port 3000. Okay, and save it. Now when I save it, it's not running. Why it's not running? Because if you see here, I'm not running any script. So if I type here node index.js means I have to type the node and then I will write the name of the file which I want to run. And if I press enter now, you will see this server is running at port 3000 is written here. But if I make changes here and save it, you see changes are not showing here. So I have to stop it by typing Control C and then again I have to write node index.js and again press enter. Now you see the changes occurs, but this will be a big problem when you create a larger project because each time you can't stop and restart the server. For that purpose we get the Nodemon. So Nodemon will automate our server. So without Nodemon, each chain means stopping and restarting the server. So Nodemon simplifies it by adding automatically restarting the server whenever it detects a change, keeping you focused on coding only. So how to do that? First of all, here in the terminal, we have to install the Nodemon. So type npm I nodemon. I means install. You can write install also and you can write I also. So press enter and after installation, one thing you have to do, go here inside the package.json file and in this package.json file here inside the script section, you have to write the script. Put comma here and then inside the inverted commas write the script start and after that what will run when I type npm start. So it will run node index.js file which I already doing without Nodemon. I want to write another script with the dev name and inside this I will write nodemon. So here nodemon will start and I want to run the file index.js. Okay, now you see we have written these two scripts and this is important. So now if I have to run this server, I have to run npm run dev and now you see server running here. Now see here, if I make changes here, like see, and if I type control S, see, I don't need to stop and restart the server now. It's automatically running. And that's Nodemon, a small tool that makes a big difference. So in the next video in this series, we will talk about modules. Okay, so thanks for watching.